Good morning, everyone.
Good
Good
morning,
morning,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Good
Good
morning.
morning, ma'am.
Okay. Now,
Good morning, ma'am.
ha,
Good
as
morning.
good morning, good morning. As we have completed all our revision work individually, that is history lesson 1 completed. History lesson 1 revision work completed in your
Yes,
notebooks.
ma'am.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes,
Geography
ma'am.
and civics also lesson 1 done as a revision work.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine.
Yes,
So,
ma'am.
so all the lessons have been done as a revision work. Today you will get full course test as revision test on Google Form link. Google Form, clear? Link is already provided on the student portal also and in the group also. It will be enabled at 1 o'clock. So 1 to 2 you will be able to start give your test. Everybody is asked to attend the test. Okay, everybody should attend the test
Yes, ma'am.
so that you can know how to attend the test and how to means that give the test in the Google Form link also. Next,
Yes, ma'am.
are you all aware about the periodic test one? The date is 8th.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, the date
Yes, ma'am.
yes, the date is 8th and timing will be different. So be careful, not 1 p.m. but the timing will be in the morning only. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So I hope everything is clear now and we will continue our revision only but now in oral form. Written form we have taken, now in oral form. Orally I will ask you the questions and you have to raise your hands up or I will ask each and every person, every student in the group. Clear? Each
Yes,
and
ma'am.
every student which is in the meeting, today's class who is attending, I will ask the question from inside of the book. Clear? Okay, ready? No one will speak out any answer or you will not speak out your name also. अपना नाम भी नहीं बोलोगे. First question from my side is I will ask first who is attending the class. Bhavesh. Bhavesh. Bhavesh is there. Hello. Bhavesh is present in the class. Okay, now first question Bhavesh will answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Who is wait? Who is the symbol? Who is shown as the symbol of British power? Who is shown as the symbol of British power? Bhavesh.
Britannia. Britannia.
You are Bhavesh. I've already spoken the name. Bhavesh. Bhavesh is answering. Who is
Yes,
answering? Who has answered
ma'am.
just now? Bhavesh. Who has answered just now?
Ma'am.
Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Bhavesh. You have answered. What answer you are giving?
Ma'am B.
No, no, I am not asking from this. This is the revision work we have already done. My question is, who is shown as a symbol of British power? Who is shown as a symbol of British power?
Ma'am
Ma'am, may
option
I?
B. Britannia. Ma'am Britannia.
Britannia. Who is, uh, who is considered to be the symbol of British power? Britannia. This is the first starting of the lesson. The picture is given. Under the picture, it is shown already the Brahmins offering Shastras to Britannia, and Britannia was considered as the symbol of British power. So, who was considered as a symbol of British power? Bhavya, who was considered as a symbol of British power?
Ma'am, may I?
Britannia.
Britannia. Okay. Now the question are not from this PDF. This only I had keep it because I wanted to ask that everybody has completed this revision work in the notebook or not. Now question is from my side. I am giving different questions. Clear? So Britannia was the symbol of British power, and why it was shown as a British power? Because in the picture it is shown that Indian people are asking to have to become the protector of Indian culture, to be the protector of which culture? Protector of
Indian
which?
culture.
Indian culture. Yes.
Indian culture.
So clear about this. And who was asked?
Indian class.
Wait. Who was asked? Now, my next question to Bhavna. Next question to goes to Bhavna. Who was asked to produce the maps of Hindustan by Robert Clive? Who was asked to produce map of Hindustan by Robert Clive? Yes, Bhavna.
Ma'am, may I?
Wait. Let Bhavna give the answer then. If Bhavna is not able to, then you can. Yes, Bhavna. Who was asked by Robert Clive to produce maps of Hindustan? James Mill, Lord Curzon, Lord Dalhousie, or James Renal? James Mill or James Renal? Yes, Zoya Qureshi, or can you answer? No. Raise your
Ma'am,
hands up.
May I?
ma'am, ma'am,
Yes.
Dushyant, ma'am, James Mill.
James Mill?
Ma'am,
No.
we have James
Sorry.
Lennon.
James Renal. Yes. James Renal. James Renal was asked to produce map of Hindustan by whom? By whom? रॉबर्ट क्लाइव.
Ma'am,
रॉबर्ट
Robert
क्लाइव ने, हाँ, रॉबर्ट क्लाइव ने जेम्स मिल को बोला था हिंदुस्तान का मैप बनाने के लिए. क्लियर? तो हु हैज टू मेक द मैप ऑफ हिंदुस्तान?
James
James
Renal.
Renal.
जेम्स रीनल. जेम्स रीनल. And he was asked by whom?
Robert Clive.
Robert Clive. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, next question. Next question goes to Charul. Charul, who was the first Governor General? Who was the first Governor General? Lord,
Ma'am, Warren Hastings.
yes, Warren Hastings. Warren Hastings was the first Governor General. And who was the last Viceroy? Last
Ma'am,
Viceroy?
Lord Mountbatten.
Yes, Lord Mountbatten. Okay, now my next question goes to, who is the next one after Charul here? Dushyant is there. After Charul, Dushyant is there. Now, Dushyant, can you answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, a figure is given in your book for lesson number 1 about the Lipton tea. Now, this was in 1922 advertisement for Lipton tea. Suggested what? The advertisement in 1922 about Lipton tea suggested what? Suggested the what? Suggested the administration, suggested the judgment, suggested the royalty, dash all over the world.
Ma'am,
Yes,
the royalty.
yes, the royalty. So Lipton tea suggested the royalty all over the world. Clear? Everybody with this answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Lipton tea suggested with the royalty all over the world and is associated with the tea. Lipton, the word Lipton is associated with what? Spices, tea, pulses, or what? So Lipton is suggested with the word tea. क्लियर? लिप्टन किसके लिए यूज में किया गया है? टी के लिए. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, goes to after Dushyant, who is there? Garvita. After Dushyant, Garvita's turn now. Who was the third son of Queen Victoria of Britain? Who was the third son of Queen Victoria of Britain? Yes, Garvita. Who was the third son of Queen Victoria of Britain? Yes, only one. Navya knows.
Ma'am, may I?
Yes.
Prince Arthur.
Yes. Everybody is aware. Now this is also under the picture only. Figure 2. The information about that picture is written in figure 2, under figure 2. That is written there only, last 2-3 lines. So who was the third son of Queen Victoria of Britain? Garvita? Now you can answer. Unmute yourself. Garvita? Are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Who was the third son of Queen Victoria of Britain?
Prince Arthur.
Arthur. Prince Arthur. 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 Okay? Janvi, you are also aware about the third son of Queen Victoria? Janvi?
Prince.
Prince Arthur. Okay. Now, other next question is goes to Janvi. Clear? Who was given the title of Duke of Connaught? Who was given the title of Duke of Connaught?
Ma'am, what is the question?
Who was given the title of Duke of Connaught? Who was given the title of Duke of Connaught? Again, I am asking the question with the same picture. Now, one picture only, one figure is only given.
Arthur.
Yes,
Ma'am,
Prince
Prince
Arthur.
Arthur.
Yes, Prince Arthur. So one picture only, under picture, one picture only, so many information, so many things are given there, and many questions can be put from that. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
So that is why I'm asking,
Yes.
whatever information is written under the picture also, that can also be important from the exam point of view. So read whatever given under the picture also, and for the picture also, what that picture is telling. So Prince Arthur was given the title of Duke of Connaught. Clear? And he is shown where? He is shown where? In the picture, where he is shown? Seated on the horseback. In the picture where he is shown seated on the horseback.
Horseback.
Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Prince, next to the same question I will ask in another way. Kanishka. What was the title given to Prince Arthur? What was the title given to Prince Arthur? Kanishka, Janvi, Garvita. What was the title given to Prince Arthur? Yes, Jaya. What was the title given to Prince Arthur? Just now we have discussed, beta. Priyank,
The
yes?
Duke of Connaught.
Yes.
Duke of Connaught.
Yes, Duke of Connaught. प्रिंस आर्थर को क्या टाइटल दिया गया था? ड्यूक ऑफ कनॉट. ड्यूक ऑफ कनॉट किसको दिया गया था? प्रिंस आर्थर को. Who was Prince Arthur? Who was Prince Arthur?
The third son of Queen
The
Victoria.
third son of Prince Victoria.
Queen Victoria.
So many questions can be raised from a simple one figure given on page number 2 of this lesson history. Okay. Now another question goes to after Janvi. Janvi has given any answer? Okay, Janvi now. who was James Mill? Who was James Mill? Viceroy, Governor General, or a Scottish economist and political philosopher? Who was James Mill? Yes, Janvi. Who was James Mill? Yes, Kanishka.
Ma'am, philosopher, Scottish economist.
Yes. Economist, political philosopher. Clear? James Mill. And now next question goes to after Janvi, Kanishka has given answer. Mahesh. Okay, Mahesh will be able to answer. I don't think so. Mavda. Now Mavda will give the answer. Name the 3-volume work which was published by James Mill. 3-volume work. Yes, Mavda, which was the 3-volume work?
Ma'am,
Yes.
India, Hindu, Muslim, and British.
Beta 3-volume work published by.
Sorry.
हाँ.
Ma'am, medieval, modern, and ancient.
Sorry, beta.
Ma'am, may I?
Yes. Yes.
The
Mavda.
history of British India.
हाँ, yes. 3-volume वर्क बेटा पूछा है. मैं डिवीजन ऑफ नहीं पूछ रही हूँ. हिस्ट्री. डिवीजन ऑफ हिस्ट्री मैंने नहीं पूछा है. आई एम आस्किंग द 3-volume वर्क, मैसिव 3-volume वर्क, बहुत बड़ा सा जो उन्होंने पब्लिश किया था. किसने पब्लिश किया था? हु हैज पब्लिश दिस मैसिव 3-volume वर्क?
James
Ma'am,
Mill, a
James Mill.
Scottish
James Mill.
economist and philosopher.
Yes. And what is this massive 3-volume work? The history of British India.
British India.
नाम क्या था? मैंने वो नाम पूछा था. हिस्ट्री ऑफ ब्रिटिश इंडिया. क्लियर? Everybody clear about the 3-volume work?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
And British history of British India was what? History of British India was what?
A 3-volume massive work.
3-volume work. Now clear everybody? Now next question goes to after Mavda, Mitanshu. Next question, Mitanshu will give the answer. According to James Mill, clear? According to James Mill, all Asian societies were at the lower level of the civilization of Europe. Clear? So how the progress of India could be made? How the enlightenment, happiness, or progress could be made? With whose help? With whose help? If all the Asian societies were at lower level, तो प्रोग्रेस किसके हेल्प से हो सकती थी अकॉर्डिंग टू मिल? अफ्रीकन, अमेरिकन, ब्रिटिशर्स, किसके हेल्प से? ओनली वन हैंड रेज.
क्वेश्चन क्या था?
क्वेश्चन
डोंट नो मैम.
ओके, कोई बात नहीं. क्वेश्चन वाज दैट के जेम्स मिल thought that all Asian societies were at the lower level. जेम्स मिल के अकॉर्डिंग जो एशियन सोसाइटीज थी वो सारा लोअर लेवल पे रखा था उन्होंने, यूरोप से लोअर लेवल में. मींस यूरोप वाज हायर पोजीशन एंड एशियन सोसाइटीज वर एट द लोअर पोजीशन. सो फॉर मेकिंग द प्रोग्रेस भी लाने के लिए इंडिया को, या उसका एनलाइटमेंट और हैप्पीनेस लाने के लिए, whose help was needed according to James Mill? Yes, Nabia?
Ma'am, I don't know.
British.
अमेरिका.
Hello?
Ma'am, may I?
Yes, Charul?
Ma'am, British.
British. Now, sir, written here on page number 4, first paragraph, last line. For India was not capable of progress without the help of British. It is written over there. So, with whose help India can make progress? With the help of
British.
British. Clear, everyone? And James Mill considered
Yes,
Asian societies at lower level of civilization than which societies? यूरोपियन, एशियन और या किसके लेवल से? अफ्रीकन,
European.
European.
हाँ, यूरोपियन से लोअर लेवल वो मानते थे. और किसकी हेल्प से प्रोग्रेस कर सकता था इंडिया?
British.
ब्रिटिश.
Ma'am, British.
ओके, फाइन. Now next question will be given. Now Bhavya, you know, and Mitanshu.
Yes,
Now,
ma'am.
okay. Now Nishant will give the answer. Nitansh, the people who know the beautifully who know how to write beautifully or who are specialized in the art of beautiful writing. What are the people who are specialized in the art of beautiful writing are known as Nishan? People who are specialized in the art of beautiful handwriting. Prince, Priyank, Priyanshi,
May
anybody?
I?
Anybody?
May I?
Wait. Vansh, Yaduvir. Who are the people who are specialized in art of beautiful handwriting known as? क्या बोला जाता है जो ब्यूटीफुल हैंडराइटिंग में लिखते हैं?
May I?
Yes, now
May
Nadia.
I?
Yes,
Calligraphist.
calligraphist. Bhavya,
Calligraphy.
calligraphist. And Vansh, who are the people specialized in art of beautiful handwriting? Vansh, Riya, Yaduvi. Yes, now you all know. What happened? Where are you all?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Now my next question.
Yes, ma'am.
Next question is National Museum and National Archives are both located close to which palace in Delhi, in New Delhi? National Museum and National Archives both are located to which palace in New Delhi? Yes, Priyank?
Ma'am, Virsigal Palace.
Yes. Anybody else? Vice-Regal Palace. It is under given figure 4. That National Museum and National Archives are both located close to Vice-Regal Palace. Clear everybody this much?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Which gardens and natural history museums established by British collected plant specimens and information about their uses? Which gardens and natural history museums established by the British collected plant specimen and information about their uses? Which gardens? You have to name the garden. Which garden? It is also given in the under the picture. Which
the
garden?
botanical garden.
Yes, botanical garden. The figure in custard apple figure is given. There it is written botanical garden and natural history museums. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Who were asked to draw pictures on these specimens? Who were asked to draw the pictures of these specimens? किसको बोला जाता था?
Ma'am, please repeat the question.
Who were asked to draw pictures of these specimens? Specimens of plant means these plant specimens की कौन picture किसको बोला जाता था बनाने के लिए? This is also given in the
Local artist.
yes, local artist. Local artists were asked to draw pictures of these specimens. Clear this much, everyone? Hello.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
So
Yes, ma'am.
whatever questions I am asking, please underline those in your book also. कि इसमें से फिगर्स के अंदर से कुछ भी क्वेश्चन पूछा जा सकता है.
Ma'am.
Yes. Yes. Hello.
Can you repeat?
What to repeat, beta? All the all the questions means any type of questions can be asked under figure, because again and again under the picture whatever things are given, information are given, anything can be asked from the under the picture also. मैंने इसीलिए बोला don't depend on this, inside of the lesson can also be asked. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Inside of the lesson can also
Yes,
be
ma'am.
asked.
Yes, ma'am.
So any information under the picture या कोई छोटा सा important information in any block is written, go through that.
Okay, ma'am.
Fine. So for today that's all. History revision. 1 o'clock. You all of you have to attend what? All of you have to attend revision test. Please attend revision test so that you will be able to know how to attend it. है ना? And on 8th of July you will have the periodic test 1, and for that I ask you to keep up a backup of paper also which you are submitting. जो periodic test होगा ना आपका, उसका एक बैकअप पेज सबमिटेड पेपर जो रख लेना अपने पास, ताकि if any problem is there. Clear? If any problem in submitting या कुछ भी submitting का कुछ problem हो, तो you have a backup paper. So keep the backup of the paper submitted during the periodic test 1. Clear everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Periodic test 1 जब होगा, and the link will be uploaded only on student portal live session.
Yes,
Clear?
ma'am.
वो जब वो वाला लिंक होगा periodic test का, वो आपके ग्रुप में सेंड नहीं होगा, वो कहाँ पर होगा? स्टूडेंट पोर्टल पे. और अभी जो रिवीजन टेस्ट का लिंक है वो मैंने आपको स्टूडेंट पोर्टल पे और ग्रुप में भी दे दिया है, so that everybody is able to attend the test. So that's all for today. I hope everything is clear now.
Oh, ma'am.
Thank you. Tomorrow we'll continue geography. Okay?
Ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, what's the timing of PT1 exams?
Hello.
Hello. Yes, ma'am.
Timetable again. Check the timing again. In the timetable it is given over there.
Okay, ma'am.
Whether it is 8 o'clock or whether it is 8:30 to 9. Check it properly yourself and be confirmed. Okay, fine. So that's all for today. Thank you.